How to screen record on iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to screen record on your iPhone. You will not have to use any app for this, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What you need to do first is to head into your iPhone, and then when you're on your phone, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen so that you get these settings right here. And then when we are in here, we need to click right here to start recording the screen. And after that, you will need to wait for 3 seconds. And now, as you can see, there's a red light right here. That means that the screen recording is now on. And to turn off the screen recording, you have to click here. And then click where it says stop. Now, when the screen recording is off, then you can head into your photo album on your iPhone, and there you will be able to find your screen recording. So this is exactly how to screen record on iPhone. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.